In this video, I am going to be showing you how to use Shopify for dropshipping, or how you can be able to use Shopify website for any business you want to start. Now, the first thing you want to do right now is hit that like button and subscribe. My name is Ayo, and we're going to get straight into the point without further ado. Now, over the years, I've been able to design several websites for business owners, especially on Shopify. I customize it, set their payment gateway, and by so doing, they can be able to get it right. So I know what I'm actually saying here. Before you can be able to use Shopify for your dropshipping, you have to note some particular things. Number one, you have to understand what is dropshipping. And number two, you have to understand what type of products am I going to be selling as a dropshipper or as a person who wants to start dropshipping. What does your product solve? What problem does it solve? What solution does it bring to the table? Number three, you have to also consider, what are my audience? Am I going to be selling to an African person? Am I going to be selling to my own local country or to the foreign countries, or you are going to be selling to the world? To be able to determine this. Then number four, you have to be able to understand, how am I going to be able to customize my Shopify store or my website in order for it to fit to the psychology of the country that I'm trying to target? Because the way I, as a Nigerian, the way we think is different from those who are in the United States. The way those who are in China are thinking is different from those who are in Australia, though we are all connected, being human in the universe. Then the next thing you want to consider, how are you going to be receiving payment from the countries that you are targeting, from your customers? How does the payment method works? You have to think of how you are going to accept the payments and how you are going to be delivering the product to those people faster. That is why some other people actually go into getting contact of suppliers, because whenever you don't answer them fast, whenever you don't deliver fast, whenever your customer care, do you understand, you don't message them on time, you don't reply on time, they can start asking for refund, and by so doing, this is actually going to hurt your dropshipping business or your business in general. I'm going to show you how you can be able to open a Shopify store right now if you are watching this as a beginner. In case you have any problem anywhere, don't forget to chat me using the number you can see on the screen or that you can see in the description box. Click on the link and you can actually get to me straight on WhatsApp. So the first thing we want to do right now is I will go to shopify.com. Just go to shopify.com in your web browser, and once you get to the home page, you're going to see a box whereby they will be telling you to input your email address. So I'm just going to try and open the Gmail account on this browser and copy the email address I want to use from this account. Okay, so this is actually a tutorial where I'm actually trying to create a Shopify store and pay for the shop for a client. Do you understand? So I can help you pay for it. So I'm just going to click on start free trial, and on the next page you're actually going to see, let's get started, which of these best describe you. So I'm just going to click on I'm just starting. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. Now on the next page, where would you like to sell? I'm just going to click on the first option, an online store. Okay, so once you do that, you click on online store, you see some other options there. So click on online store, and once you click on online store, you click on next. Let me click on next. Okay, so next. So on the next page, you're going to see, what do you plan to sell first? Just click on drop shipping product. Okay, once you click on drop shipping product, click on next. Now when you click on next, where will your business be located? You can choose Nigeria or any country your business is and click on next. Do you understand? Any country you are, your preferred country, and you're going to see something like create a Shopify account. Then you're going to see something like sign up with email. Click on that. Okay, now when you click on sign up with email, you're going to see the email you've specified in the box. Just choose a strong password for you. So I will advise you combine capital letter, small letter, a number, and a code. Do you understand? So once you do this, you're going to see if your password is strong or weak. So the next thing you want to do right now is you're going to click on create a Shopify account. Okay, I'm going to blow out the password. Click on create Shopify account, and on the next page you're going to see that the Shopify account is on creation process. Just wait for it for some while, and boom, you're going to see it our account is being created but not successfully done because you actually need to link your payment method. So you're going to see something like select your plan for 3 months. So just click on select a plan. Okay, then you see the different kind of plan that Shopify is going to give to you, which is the basic, the Shopify, the advanced. So I am going to click on basic. Do you understand? You're going to be choosing basically, and you'll be able to see the name, the profile. I've updated everything. Do you understand? You have to update everything: your address, your apartment, your address, everything, your city, your country, your postal code. You can search Google for your postal code. Do you understand? Input it, and the phone number box, I'm actually inputting the phone number right now. Do you understand? The phone number of my client. Okay, using the details of my client. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. And you can chat me on WhatsApp if you need help with setting the payment method or payment gateway for your Shopify store. And I can also help you create a Shopify store from beginning to end and creating and adding your product. So you click on save address. And once you click on save address, then the next thing you're going to see is choose a payment method. For the credit and debit card, cheaper cash work, or your domiciliary account, you can choose it. For me, I'm going to choose PayPal. I'm going to click on pay with PayPal. So once I click on pay with PayPal, I'm going to see a box that is actually going to come up where I'm going to be choosing my PayPal account. But luckily enough, my PayPal account is logged in already, and they sent a code to my phone number. So it's my PayPal account. So I've done that. Then let's see if this is going to be successful and link successfully. So you're going to see the card that is accepted, that is connected to my PayPal account. I'm going to click on agree and continue. And once that is done, let's see what is actually going to bring. Go to the right hand side of the screen and you're going to click on subscribe. Okay, you click on the subscribe button, and once you click on the subscribe button, let's see if it's going to be successful. Once you click on no thanks, my payment was actually successful. So the next thing you want to do right now, we are not done. You click on customize theme. Okay, we are not done. Click on customize theme because you need to remove the password on your Shopify store. So you're going to see something like remove password. But before we actually get to that, let's try and preview the website and actually see the theme that comes with our store. So we click on view your store, and you're going to see that the website is empty right now. So let's go back. And you're going to see that there is nothing on our store. No theme was added. Everything is just blank. Okay, so I'm going to cancel that and go back to that place and actually scroll down. I'm actually going to scroll down. Okay, so once you scroll down, you have to choose a theme. Do you understand? So I'm going to add this theme, which is Sense. So I'm just going to click on add right now. And once I click on add, and I'm going to click on publish. Okay, I'm going to click on publish before trying to customize it. So let me click on publish right now, which is at the left side under the theme icon. So click on publish, and once you click on publish, you click on publish again to confirm your decision. And once I click on publish, then this theme is successfully added. So I'm just going to click on try to preview our site. Do you understand? Let's try and preview the site if the theme has actually been added. You're going to see as well. Do you understand? I clicked on remove passwords. You're actually going to see it right now. This confirmation email shows that my payment was successful from Nigeria. Welcome to Shopify. If your card or payment method is not accepted, you are not going to receive this. Do you understand? If you didn't do it well, you are not going to receive this confirmation message. Let me go back to that place, and you see that the password to my store was removed successfully. You're going to see this. Okay, the password was removed successfully.